Namaskar, myself Sanjay Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor, Jagannath Institute of Education, JIMS Jamtech, Greater Noida. My subject is Understanding Discipline and Subjects, and the topic is Disciplinary Knowledge. So, what is the disciplinary knowledge? Discipline specific knowledge can be defined as a set of understandings that are more than broad knowledge of a field. Rather, it is sort of knowledge that is specific to the discipline or profession. This statement was given by Kohler in 2012. The discipline specific knowledge in the discipline of science is different than the language, and so as different with mathematics and social science. It is based upon the aims and objectives of studying the discipline and also on the nature of the discipline. In the social, uh, in the science discipline, the process of acquiring knowledge like scientific inquiry, experiment, scientific exploration, discovery, problem solving, etc., may not be the same as social science or language. In social science, we deal with the social issues and involve ourselves in observations, social surveys, social inquiry, social explorations, interviews, narrations, anecdotes, case analysis, and reflections on happening events and ideas. The nature of education as disciplinary knowledge. Education is purposive. Education is liberal and vocational. Education is planned. Education is evolutionary. Education is aimed as specialization. Education is psychological. Education is social. Education is growth oriented. These are the few points of the nature of education as the disciplinary knowledge. Now, what is the scope of disciplinary knowledge in the science and in the social science? The discipline of social science is engaged with exploring the social realities and establishing relationships within the social groups, communities, institutions, families, and also individuals. The discipline of science comprises theories, for example, the theory of gravity, a theory of relativity, etc. Disciplinary knowledge is transacted through some methods. For example, number one, first example is the science discipline is transacted through the method of experiment and scientific inquiry. Another example, the discipline of social sciences is transacted through the methods like social inquiry, narration cum discussion, strong telling, etc. Key concepts in the discipline are defined according to the nature of the discipline. Number one, the concepts in science are defined from scientific perspectives. The concepts in social sciences are defined from socio-political perspectives. The concepts in psychology are defined from a psychological perspectives. Disciplines are identified from some major thinkers and followers. Like the major thinkers of the discipline of philosophy are Plato, Aristotle, Kant, Socrates, Karl Marx, whereas the thinkers of the discipline of science are Einstein, Newton, Copernicus, Galileo, and Darwin. Thank you. So I conclude that every discipline has a unique knowledge